transfer all these ones. You should transfer all these ones down there to this side so that we move them out. It's very important.
Pressure, any thing if you are here, then also send it earlier.
Don't go beyond here. Here is better. See, I'm not changing. I'm making this.
No, minute. Okay.
What is done down? To another target. And the first is done with this place. So, go down quarter. What we will take, we got at this one. Then I feel like this is getting good. If you're going to get in the gear, you can't get so never want to need feeling. Never you need the feeling. Before the water just water this. What will be the depth of the gutter? It can't be like that one. It can't be like that one. Exactly. All step down. That means for the people who before giving a police station. You understand what I'm saying? At least you can get this thing up to where this man is.
On that place,
you can't.
break the road, slide in here.
How many you debited the machine? Because they are losing time with this. There you got that. You see about this level, at least you know about this man. From tomorrow, I will go get that one.
500 millimeters, that's half millimeter from the edge of the asphalt.
No, I'm talking about
all this side corner.
Okay. It's around there.
How about this? Where you do that place?
Whenever I need to do feeling,
clear, see,
after wherever you put here, so that if there's there, you'll be pushing in. Because we need to feel this one.
I don't want you to touch anything here.
And